With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
So I was just going to open that brand new bag and throw them in. Yeah, I'm going to fill that right up now. So. Good morning, it's another Friday. We're scrabbling to get ready this morning and we've got a very nice chap who's featured on the videos before. Harry from Harry's Hot Chocolate is coming to deliver another batch of his finest hot chocolate. So we're just busily getting ready at the moment.
Wish it lasted forever, but it faded.
Traffic lights today again, unfortunately. But in all fairness, the last time round it didn't cause us any problems at all. It's just a little two-way set out the front there. Hey, look at this.
Can see the silver lining, but it's so far away.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad actually. Yeah, we haven't. I learned that last couple of
Perfect. Fresh delivery. And these are the ones that you guys can buy.
No, I'll put these straight out.
They're so popular, aren't they, these?
Yeah.
People love them. There we go. So if you come and have a coffee or hot chocolate, you can also take away a tin of Harry's hot chocolate. Energy balls. It's a new recipe. They're really nice.
What's in those?
So they've got, dates,
Almonds and chocolate chips.
and pumpkin seeds. They're very nice.
Everything in those.
All the good stuff.
And under this slightly misted up cake dome,
The most popular cake, I think, Black Forest cake.
it really is, isn't it? People literally fight over this, don't they?
We've already had orders for tomorrow to make sure we get some by, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's s'mores chocolate cupcakes, which they've got like a Biscoff centre and a huge marshmallow on the top.
And croissants.
Cinnamon buns, pastel de nata.
Now, pastel de natas, now these are a pretty hot thing, aren't they, as well?
Yeah,
We've,
they are even more so lately.
yeah. They really have taken off massively, haven't
They
they?
are lovely. And I think if you don't want a huge piece of cake, they're really nice to have.
Yeah, and they're not too sweet, are they? So I think that's what people really appreciate. And yeah.
Millionaire's flapjack, perfectly cut up by Trevor this week.
Yes, indeed. So if you're ever wondering what Trev does in the week, he does things like cutting up chocolate topped Millionaire's flapjack, which isn't as easy as it looks, guys. There's a real technique to this.
It's a bigger job than you think.
Yeah.
Lemon, blueberry and almond loaf. That's a really nice recipe. So I did that one because there's quite a lot of chocolate stuff this week on the counter and not everybody likes chocolate, so that kind of gives them another option. And the cheese scones I remembered today because last week I forgot to bring them. But all about, I knew there was something I didn't bring and I couldn't remember what.
And then what happened then? First, straight away, almost the first customer, wasn't it?
Wanted a cheese scone.
Have you got any cheese scones? And then 5 minutes later somebody else came in and they said, oh, please tell me you haven't You haven't not got any cheese scones, have you? It's just incredible. It's almost like an energy field had been created because there were no cheese scones.
Joe?
There's Joe. Opening up. Cowshed.
Here's the delivery. Right. I'll do that, Joe.
You're in the wrong country now.
Yes, that's true.
This must be a shocker as well, the old temperature as well.
Just for documentation of empty shelves.
I know, I saw it. Come back at a bad time because now we've got no peppers and cucumbers and tomatoes.
That's a good time.
But we have energy balls, so you're alright, life is still good.
You got any energy yet?
Still waiting for 12 months now.
Well, we've survived the winter, haven't we,
not,
Trav?
not yet.
Nearly through it. We've kept going.
The cold is to come, they say.
No, surely not. We're done, aren't we?
No.
Well, you can just go away. You're not bringing good
We
news.
get another beast from the east.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
It's Friday, we've just got home and our porch door was ajar and now we can see why. So in here is basically chocolate.
Nearly all chocolate.
Look me in the eyes. You and me.
One question. Do I get sick pay here? I don't wanna be YouTube starlet.
I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. Is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything.
Yeah, your truffles are just amazing.
The check's in the post, Andy.
I mean, all your cakes are amazing. But, you know, the truffles, they're sort of like how my husband did a really fancy chocolate and a cake. It's on, what's not to like?
All that we have is each other now.
Well, that's it. That's the weekend finished with. Didn't manage to film much today, to be honest with you. Could be traced. But we were very busy.
Yeah.
Which,
Sun's out.
yeah, sun's out, as you can see. It's probably shutting the camera down a little bit, isn't it? So that's us wrapped up for another week. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time round, I'm sure. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I might. Jamie said she would go, she was working, so she might go. Yeah, she was going to go later. Where's she?
Fancy seeing you in here.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Undressed when it's cold, and don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.